Jesus Christ. Hey, stand one side. Let me see what I go on first. Play the song, the rapid boss.
Hey, mama, mad for me. That's for me now. Mad for me.
Let me see what you can do. Let me see what you can do.
Papa, pizza, pilla, liquor, killer, tele, bar, swing, syrup, panara, skla, pilla, spliffia, fida. Lord, mama says you can't hear it, son. Your body need to run. Turn your bumper around, get mad for me now. Rock your back, sit down, panny and rock.
Somebody say Bumbo Club.
Chef Young start sell whites, don't lock off the stove. Out of the kitchen and wash off your clothes. Massacre, me I say, yo, Chef Young media, you know what going on one side to the landslide, you hear that? Body no mad, you know, I say monster enhance. As I bleach out you, I'm there to represent for, oh, Chef Young media. I'm mad this body, so I say, Chef Young media, the man body thing, them see them, body room.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad. And we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
The mark I represent for Chef Young.
Yeah, this is the General Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media. Keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa.
Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The baddest and the sickest, you know.
London. Good night, ladies. Y'all ain't got no fucking manners. Good night, ladies. Y'all look so beautiful. Yo, light man, shine the light on the ladies for me. Any birthday ladies in the place right now? Let me see y'all. Birthday ladies. Any ladies, any single ladies in the place right now? Single ladies, put your hands in the air for me. Ladies, if you're here with your boyfriend, put your hands in the air for me. Okay, I see y'all. Shout out my ladies with the good edges. Shout out my cute ladies who put on your nice makeup, you know what I mean? Yeah, I like girls with nice makeup and a nice edges. I like your edges. You got nice edges. You have nice edges, but you're miserable. Put a smile on your face. I need to see a smile. If you don't smile, I'm not going to play no music for you. I like your smile. You got a cute smile. Here we go on. I go by the name of Chip Down, and this is DJ Flair. This is Canada's landmark. I need a favor. If y'all know, when we do stage shows, this is all I need you to do. I'm going to play the music. Y'all going to sing it with me. Y'all could do that for me? All right, let's go. We're doing a little different tonight. Ladies, what's good?
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in?
Let's go!
Jumped in the camera in for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous.
You ready?
That's when the taxi
All my
man
ladies, wave your hands in the air. Wave your hands in the air.
and the Jay-Z
Wait,
song was
wait,
on.
wait.
And the Jay-Z
Sing,
song
five,
was on.
six, go.
Put my
Sing! 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 Sing it!
making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing homebound.
Take my glasses off in this bitch.
Like we had, just making my way through the crowd.
Sing it with me.
Not
Sing! And I need you. Sing! Into the sing when you be and passing. Sing it if I were, if I could. Anybody 30 and over in here? 30 and over, put your hands in the air. Y'all young, holy shit. Children in here. All right, I'm gonna see if y'all know this song. Hold on. Who knows this song? Sing it.
You are the one desire.
Shout out my ladies right here. Oh my God. When
I
you
say
sing it with me.
away,
Sonia.
but we are two worlds apart. Can't be.
One. Put your hands in the air right now. Everybody put your hands in the air right now. If you love your life, put your hands in the air right now. Everybody, if you love your life, you love your friend beside you, put your hands in the air right now. Drop that shit. We gonna live some life today.
Canada landmark. Body's landmark.
Give me a second, I
What?
need to get my story straight. My friends are in the
Shout out
bathroom
them
getting
girls over
higher
here, them
than the
poor
Empire
girls.
State. My lover, she's waiting
poor
for
girls
me
over here.
just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget.
Who knows this song? Come
But
on.
between the drinks and
Liven up your fucking self. Let's wake up in this bitch.
I'm trying hard to take it back.
Sing it.
So if by the time the bar closes,
Everybody go
you
like
feel
this.
like falling
Everybody go
down,
like this.
I'll carry
Go like this.
you home
Go.
tonight.
Sing it. What we gonna do in Rebel tonight? Sing. Sing. Rapid boss, you ready?
Here's the thing, we started out friends.
Blaxz, you don't know them songs, yeah?
So pretend.
You don't know these songs, Blaxz.
Yeah. Since you've been gone,
I gotta play for my beautiful Katie's and my Karens.
dedicated
I love y'all.
time
Yeah.
was a long
We're talking about Canada landmark. Chippy and DJ Flair.
Enjoy yourself, ladies.
since you've been gone.
All my beautiful ladies, wave your hands in here. Wave your hands, wave your hands, wave.
Never hear me say it's how I picture me with you.
Look, look, look. Ladies, if your mouth don't smell like shit, sing this part.
But since you've been gone,
Turn this shit up, let's go. Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again?
What you thought I was
Do
gonna
you
play
ever
dancehall all night?
feel so paper thin,
Let's go.
like a house of cards,
Let's go.
one blow from caving in? Do you
You like
ever
this song?
feel already
You like this
very
song?
deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear
You
a
gonna sing it.
thing? Do you know that
You're gonna sing this
there's
song.
still a chance
You
for
ready?
you? 'Cause there's a spark in
Put your
you.
hands up, sing it with me.
Just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go up.
Everybody go like this. Pump your
As you shoot
fucking fist.
across the sky.
One, 2, 3,
Baby,
go.
you're a firework.
Turn it up. Everybody pump your fucking fist in the air. Let's go.
I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, yo, gotta let go.
What's wrong with him?
It's a way to live my life.
What's saying? Everybody jump.
Baby,
Jump,
let's
jump,
go.
jump,
I
jump.
get to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor 'cause that's my place, 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 place.
Right down the damn man. Level. Level. If you here with your friend right now, put your friend's hands in the air right now. Sing it out.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be good.
Run down, so it's good. Upstairs. You know the fucking vibe. Let's go.
Tonight's gonna be
Everybody put your hands in the air. Let's go. Go, 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 go.
tonight's gonna be a good night.
Canada landmark. Body's landmark.
Good night. That tonight's
need you to sing this part for me. Sing, turn it up. Rap it back, let's go. Go, go.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know
You ready?
it, and you really want
Rap
it,
it back, you ready?
happy and you know it, clap your hands.
1, 2, 3. Who knows how to do this dance? Who knows how to do this dance? Y'all ready?
Jerusalem, ikayalami. No lo sé. Hambre nami.
Let's go.
This is something new, the Casper Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band. And this time,
I need everybody
we're
up.
gonna
Let's
get
go.
funky.
If you smell clean, I need you to clap your hands for me. Clap your hands. You ready? Let's go.
Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn
You
it
ready?
out.
Let's go. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Stop. Everybody, if you work on 9 to 5, put your hands in here right now. A lot of workers in here. If you work on 9 to 5, put your hands in here right now. If you love your job, put your hands up. If you calling in work sick tomorrow, put your fucking hands in the air. Play my shit.
And I'm coming to work today. I can't see. No, nothing wrong with my eyes. I just can't see myself coming to work today. Thank you. In other words, I'm not doing one fraud. Don't tell me about work.
We're doing different right here. I need everybody to sing with me. Y'all ready? Hold on. Everybody sing this shit. 1, 2, 3, sing it. Sing. Look, if you drinking something, put your cups in the air. VIP, what's good? Show me what you drinking. Show me what you drinking.
Drink where you drinking. I'm a professional. Show me where you drinking. Show me where you drinking. Drink where you drinking. I'm a professional. All day we drinking and we don't need no chaser. Coming out with system. I'm a professional drinker. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back in it.
This is so easy. I'm just saying right here. Look, every girl bend your back with me. Every girl bend your back, bend your back, bend your back. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Why you so serious? Why you so serious?
Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now.
You ready?
Start a wine, start a wine
All
up
right,
now
let's go.
because
1,
it's
2, 1, 2.
All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough.
Over yourself.
Every time I step
Over
up in the
yourself.
building,
Where everybody
hands go.
We don't want no chichi, man, they not chichi, but they can't live.
Watch this.
It's like boom, bye, bye, in a body boy.
Balancing when we on the road. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing.
Hold on.
Yes, we totally
Look,
need
look. If you bathed before you came out today, everybody jump in there. We want to live first. We want to live first. 1, 2, 3, go. Everybody hug somebody beside you. Hug somebody beside you. Hug somebody beside you. Look, 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 look. Trinis in here right now? Any Guyanese? Bajans? Bahamians? Vinces? All who love soca music, put up your hand now here. Drop that song there.
I've been patient, I've been waiting. Call me stubborn, but I can get over it. You left and never.
I need everybody wave your hands for me. Everybody wave your hands. Wave it slow. Wave it slow. Wave it slow. Like this.
So don't you ever
like this.
let me down again.
Wave your hands.
'Cause I'm depending on you, so you better come through this time.
Oh boy, so wave your hands for me.
If I ever let you down, my friend,
you ready?
It was a misunderstanding.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Like I never jump, like I never went, like I never ran. To show you I sorry, and I need you back in my life. Look at people by the truck, emotions running high. We end up in the sky, just running down the
I hope you'll find someone.
Pull up. I had to give him a little bit of something, a little bit of something. Shout out my soca people, big up yourself. If y'all didn't know, I'm half Canadian. But my real background is Jamaican. All Jamaicans bust a blank in our ear right now. Who loves reggae and dancehall music? Bust a blank in our ear right now. Who wants to see Skillibeng say, Bumbo Clad? Well, we ain't ready for all that yet. I still got so much music to play for y'all. Do y'all remember this shit right here?
Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na.
You ready? Everybody, it's all about Romy and the big fat sister. I'm Chippy. Can I tell you something? Welcome the girls, them sugar.
The girl them there, this nigga. Welcome the girl, them sugar. The girl them there, this nigga. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girl them there, this nigga. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girl them there, this nigga.
It's something you better read it and me tell you this.
It's been a while, I'm admiring your tenderness. Your Coca-Cola back a shape and all your cherry. And you want to know where they come from.
Who knows this song? Good reggae music, go to sing with me. Sing. Turn it up now. Got you to know that.
DJ Flair.
Come now.
Seeing this and seeing that.
Hold on.
Going here and going
Let them sing first. Hold on. Come. I'm supposed to. Ladies, if you don't suck dick, sing this part. Y'all fucking lying. Y'all suck dick. Listen, it's real simple. Everybody will smell good. Put up your two on them in our ear. Player. Hold on. You ready? You ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, go on. Everybody wave your hand here. Everybody wave your hand. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Rock it up. Make us do it in there. Look. If you got a passport, wave your hands in the air. If you got a passport. If you got a passport, wave your hand.
Who already dance up? Get on the dance now. Dancing at Jamaica, me good name. Feels as if our England are playing.
Here we go, so I love with you. Well, everybody that just sing down the plane. Sing down the plane, then just sing down the plane. Sing down the plane, then just sing down the plane.
Sing down the plane, make me signal the plane. None of your friends get busted.
You already know.
Soon I must take a laugh.
Mr. Watkins, if you move them way. them, them stuck them.
Yeah.
I will stuck them so easy. So what am I do so far?
Me no know.
I want to cast them. And the brand new dance name stuck here and
Ladies,
cast them.
if you look good,
So
you feel
come
sexy.
first. So
You
when
can
they
suck it for
come,
me.
dead last.
I guess you are say.
Okay.
What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do?
Well, everybody hear that? Well, I like the way you move. Well, I like the way you
groove. I like the way you say.
Tell us something we don't know. Me like bad bitch.
Oh, that's what y'all want to hear. I'm just testing y'all out. I already knew that, but I got to do something different. I had to do different. I had to do different. You know what I mean? I had to go different. Everybody, I love your friend beside you. Give your friend a hug right now. Let me see what I go on. A lot of people don't love their friend. Y'all outside with a bunch of hypocrites. If you love your friend, give your friend a hug right now. Give your friend a hug right now. Give your friend a hug right now. I believe in friend, but I don't like the word. The last three letters in friend is N. Everybody, if you love somebody, I need a bossa blank in our ear for them. Right now. If you love somebody, hey, Rappy Boss, play a song there for me.
Yo, shut it. Family. Yeah, I know this. I mean, say family. Sure. If I want thing, me hate a friend killer. Me no believe in a friend killer. Family.
Everybody, if you love your friend, say with your friend. Me love me family, them to me. Me wouldn't be one of them.
Kill it dead to the end, dead from the start.
Me real brother them.
Now them no know when we are buy 3 sardine and the 1 pound of rice from shop.
Wow.
And them no know when we are get
Everybody
cheese
sing this song with your friend.
and gun job.
Levels. Me know how struggle feel. I me know who. Now make them. Life for the greatest thing, dog. Sing again. Now trick me and kill me. Well, life for the greatest thing, dog. Rapping Boss,
Me as a friend, me a family. Someone can't step to me. Call them out out in the city that inna them eye. Them say them love you, but I hypocrite.
everybody sing it loud.
Bad mind get the best of them.
What them sing
Bad
it?
mind get the best of them. Them claims say them are your friend.
Everybody put the gun in the air.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. Fuck the man, the girl and them all a wanna. Me a couple dogs, me know that dead for me. Let us know, let us say loyalty before you fuck with the family. Just remember me. I have to protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, one of my brother, then you want for free me.
Every time you can sing that song with me, ready? After all. Daddy, that's how we upon a call. Well, on my car, drive up, pull up on foot, boy, spread a like, same day, yeah, then I run like that. We are go, we are go. Disrespect you must say, man, that I go down there now. Well, who winner? Well, you ready, Rapping Boss? I want to fuck up in there right now. I feel like fuck up in here right now. Turn up the blood clot sound and fuck up in there now. Yo, turn on the sound, dog. What do I do?
So we circle limits like the little man. Set a bomb, make a damn top rain fall.
Where the Jamaican them there?
That's the echo with the grabber. Schema like Shabba Motherpot. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's trapped, every pan a knock.
People, y'all know this, brother? This is Blaxz done the place. Blaxz, you've been here from early and you said you want to work. I told you I'm a brother. I want you to intro this song for me. Can you do that for me, Blaxz?
First of all, anybody from Trinidad in the building? Guyana in the building? Barbados, St. Vincent, St. Lucia? Any Africans in the building? Big up all Jamaicans that are here tonight. But hold on, we're in Canada. Everybody will know say you weren't born rich. but you're not gonna dead poor. If you want to make money every day, put your money hand in the air.
What you did?
Money hand in the air.
What you did?
Have good credit to it.
Big life, live life, no trafficking, bang it in. Put it down, up it, up it in. What you did? Hacky dip. From me a juvenile and the money I call me now my daughter for the friends and my son in all. You them not come up for the blood clot body. One of them I call me legend and me no pass party. Oh my God, this never get it big love.
If you've been to Jamaica at least one time, put up your hand. I'm not talking about my bae.
The only thing going on. The one I put more and the one I send James.
No.
Remember
if you make money every day, put your money hand in the air and we are done.
Salt Spring, we not going under. Ready, breakfast is now way. Straight back in the run now, make no wrong turn. That's if it turn it up, me turn it to another them. Me money enough, me girl them no for that about them. Me so Christmas, remember me no got a lot of friends. Someone say them a shot at them, but what you know about shabba them? Shabba them, shabba.
All you know, you love your mother, you love your child. Put your hand in the air.
Anything me say me, I go do me. Someone say them about them drink like pee. Any pussy now with me, them a go get.
If you have a Bible in your house, a Quran, put your hand up.
We're not frightened for nobody.
Why?
But we respect everybody.
Why?
And we better than everybody.
Why?
So me we run where anybody. No boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. Step on me can and say, run up for dance and fancy. On a bag of long talking. Something, do something, do something, do something, something, do something, and a bag of.
Yeah. Every time I see you, me tell you make money. And if you know at least one person that don't like you, put your middle finger in the air right now. Yeah, some people, they want to argue with you in the comments on Instagram and TikTok. Don't do that shit, bro. Cause you see when you see them in a real life and they say, pussy, what you did type last week? What
That nice,
say?
the boy run like a wounded dog. Don't you see him record? Baba boy don't run. The boy dress up like police.
All who love Vibes Cartel, put up the Gaza.
Gaza, Baba boy don't run. Big yard, we are the last man standing. We no frightened so easy.
Hello?
All when you're rolling with the
Chippy,
scare we represent.
Everybody sing it out.
Sing
it out, sing it out.
Me nah fi bad up myself. Them know say me. Them know me head mad already. Make them families had already. Call me boy drop. When the end
sing it out.
Me say the pussy have the dead. Andrew, what make the alien walk? Up a shot a lagina dem yard man. Me no take intimidation. For me can the boy me no fear man. Me give me tongue up on the station.
Everybody, what we tell them?
Combo wall.
Well, I no flair. Chippy, you ready again? You don't know our working hours. All ready for Skillibeng. Wait. Nothing to start yet, Chippy.
Why you gotta do that? Yo, you know I got a better song than a cartel where you play a while ago? I show you my brother, you know. And I don't mean to talk too much part in here, but listen. You see this song right here? If Indiana boss, me I gonna beat you up. Play.
Tree. We send them on ya. Boy, they like straight on.
Everybody put a good finger down here. Go, sir.
Boy, you a chunk of your true another flash. Pussy where you know about booze cause of ash. M1 rifle strap on for my block. Crack your skull like calabash. Pussy have you ever not get in a traffic? Have you ever bust a man throat with a hatchet? You don't know nothing about badness. Watch it.
Everybody, if nobody could diss your friend, put up your gun finger in the air right now.
Never fire them. I coulda who hire them.
Everybody sing it out there.
Yo, I want to Chippy. Anybody from Rexdale in the building? Mississauga, Brampton. Anybody from Scarborough? All who love reggae music, put your hand in the air right now. If you have somebody in your family that was not born in Canada, if your parents were not born in Canada, put your hand in the air. Chippy, that song was good, but this song is gooder.
Everybody
sing it out! Sing it out! Hey, hold on, play it again. Blood clot. Blaxz. Look, everybody, if you never got beat up in high school, put up your gun finger in the ear again for me. Everybody, go so. Say your back from which bad? Sing like Chinese rock.
So beat up and make you fall from a disc tag. You know one on a discard, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bam like Islam. And if you make a come me know the enemy. Them a pray and me know they not sorry for me. People a ball and a screen carry bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene calamity. I saw we shoot out and figure Canada G. Make them have a
if you love Toronto, put some fucking gun fingers in here. Everybody sing it loud.
Tell a pussy
violate people, you should have keep it there. The Taliban's them, me no. Hush. All my single ladies, put your hands in here for me, please. No, y'all sound like y'all hungry. What the fuck? Ladies, if you single and happy, put your hands in here for me, please. Shout out all my beautiful single ladies. We don't need a man, you just want one. If he comes in your life, you tell him something like this.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down. Miggy a hit and run. Me did only one little deal. Love you did a look you must sit down. Miggy a hit and run.
Ladies, sing for me. You ready? All right.
Hey, my youth, you take it too serious. Be a little piece, just a little feeling. Now you take a set up on me, you eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze. Now Jesus, I wanna make you feel so. So we keep it tight, and me ever clean so.
Ladies, if your mouth smell clean, sing this part, turn it up.
Keep it on a deal. But too young for lockdown with.
Sing. Sing it now, sing. Sing again now. Let me tell you something. You see this pop balloon challenge shit? I don't like it. No girl can pop balloon for me. I'll give that girl a brand new balloon and say, blow that bitch back up. Why?
Can't style. I know every code and style in book. Girl, I mean you can't tie in a hook. From a day I be a vibes and push. She says I hype look. Hey girl, you can't style me, mama. While I check it, brand new man and nuts. Find my mama, find happiness, move you. Enjoy it and when things don't work, I hope you don't call me become. Not no fool, don't need you.
Rap it, boss. I don't want you to stop the music. I just want you to juggle. Can you juggle? Juggle that.
Faith in your banana, hate in a fuck. Hey, big pussy girl, you fuck. Play with my love after me. Invest some money, I'm a time in a you. But time this time, I've been a.
What everybody bop. Hold on, level. There's a black girl in the ring. Where there's some white girls in the ring. Where there's a brown girl in the ring. And she know of it. Hey, play a song number. I want to play that. favor. Turn off these lights for me. Everybody that got a cell phone and pay your phone bill on time, turn on the light right now. I see 1 phone light, 2 phone light, 3 phone light, 4 phone light, 5 phone light, 7 phone light, 8, 9, 10, 11. Everybody just wave a phone light. Wave them, 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 wave. I want everybody jump with the phone light now. I want everybody jump with your phone light. 1, 2, 3. I got the light that I must ride out.
Oh, yeah. If you're having fun tonight, say Bumbo Clue. All right. Yo, Chippy, Flair, I'm not going with that thing, you know. Yo, play any song right now. That me I say. Wait, what? Eh? All right, just run it. You're right now, I want to see some fancy footwork. Fancy footwork and then yo, when it dances, yo, no, she wasn't ready. You ready now? She wasn't ready. Alright, ready. Yo, fling. Everybody know, fancy footwork.
I to the left, man, I rock it like coaster. Full suit, a close cologne, a Tom Ford. Me take a next step, them gyal a take set. As she a move to the beat, kick your foot.
You ready?
I will not take check, yo with the headset. Me just a sing at the boot, I'm not get no check, cause
this part of the party is called Do Me a Favor. So I need all my sexy ladies to do me a favor. You see, if you know this song, y'all gonna bounce to it. And then y'all gonna do the routine dance. You ready? Y'all ready? Alright, 1, 2, 3, shoot now.
Me flow change something like climate. You wanna know if me show
shoot now.
The bones clean and me not take no jet and the way you
The badness upgrade long time. I'm Mary James, I carry the black fine. Try see I'm blind, me away my big uncle goal pan crime. Boop boop. I ever want my gun there. Me bring the matic in the Dali Sundays.
Look, everybody that knows a real friend, bust a blank for your friend right now. No, I can't hear y'all. Everybody, if your friend gets in a fight, you gotta be in the fight too. If your friend's going to jail, you're fucking going to jail too. Everybody, if you love your friend, put up your gun finger for your friend and tell your friend. Tell your fucking friend.
Pussy them free now, show out again. 6 patch was blood, show out again. Rich badness, show out again. Panny hot sky, kill like my friend. My dad not anybody when we shot. The calm nerves, man, pop off.
Oh, yo.
Be a face player, rock off a play.
Yo, me like that part here. Hold on. If you have more than $100 in your pocket, put your hand in the air right now. Everybody will know you have good credit. Put your hand in the air. Even if it's not yours, put your hand in the air. Yeah, some pussy said they don't like Blaxz done the place. But me tell them, suck them granny backward, you know what?
Oh, in a yard of foreign, yeah, they dance solid. Clap your body, you see, clap your body. Everybody wave their body. With them front things, we not fighting if we boy not a link. Them pussy not no cash. Broke where you have, boy, you have a squash. 80 grand, make it take to me watch. I be a guy, I'ma put pan the black. Woof, woof, woof. Boy, you a laps.
Fuck them girl panny. Me I say NC and see. Everybody, if you have money, sing the part. Hold on. Top shot at his back. Big. I want to test a song on the rhythm. Can I test this song on the rhythm?
And me fuck up your feet. Cause Kelly and I bleed. Cause somebody leak it. Anyway. Dark me rich, shark me.
Visa something, sack. Deep sing, sang. Once one hit, smash. Rock around, ball. Them cap till them twist.
If you don't like police, put up your gun finger.
Me crack off a piece of skull, me lead I run a million, me seize a mud, me lean a call. I move with a speed, I gun the beast, I come in, lick down police, I grung. The run a jiffy.
If you work a 9 to 5, put your hand in the air right now. If you make money every fucking day, put your 2 hands in the air right now. You know I'ma find out about my virgin from what year?
I sound that. What hear that? How that funny like? My dog start sell whites, don't lock off the stove. Out of kitchen now, wash off your clothes. 17 shoot off a shot off them nose. Suck on the mother boy. Hey, yeah, I'm a killer, yeah, I'm a killer. Glass off a toast. Killer, yeah, I'm a killer. Gun pop off the most. Rich long time, we no chat on the boss. We no mix or mingle. Remember we put shit like jingle. Run the matic one single. All in her face like dimple. A chrome in her waist, tell me.
Blaxz, don't ever bring a knife to a gunfight. You hear, Blaxz? Blaxz, if it is one of my friends, which you never do, cause you're my brethren, you're my brother. But if I boy this Blaxz, let me tell you what I boy.
Pull up on 20 magic spark.
Easy. Where we going right now? I feel like go for the girls. I feel like go for the girls. Any dancers in here? Like serious dancers. I need a serious dancer right now. Somebody root for your dancer friend and tell her to come on the stage right now. Let me see it. Oh, which one? That one there? You? Come here. Come here. Come right here. Security, do me a favor. Come here. You're a strong man, you know, and you lift her up for me, bro. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I want skirt you out here. Oh, is a little black skirt? All right, come. Don't worry yourself. Skilly can't see it. Don't worry yourself. Take your time and climb. I wear panty. Come here. Walk around there. When I walk around here, come. Let me see what you can do. Because anyhow you can't dance, you know, I'm going to make security throw you off a stage. Come here. Everybody give it up for this lovely lady right now from the place. Tell me something, she looks good? No. She look good? You can dance? Are you sure? All right, do me a favor. Play that song there. Let me see if you can dance. You ready?
Papa, pizza, pilla, liquor, killer, telebar, swing, syrup, panaras, gla, pilla, spiffia, fida. Lord, mama says she can't hear it, son.
You're on the knees and your bumper. Turn round. Get mad for me now. Pull up. If she bought say bumbuckland, me need somebody better than her. Me need somebody who swear them better than her. Somebody will swear that you're better than her. You know what I mean, girl? Come here, goody. Come here, goody. Hold on. Come here, goody. Me need somebody who know them better than her. Cause goody I go on bad. She I go on good, though. If she bad say bumbuckland. Security. I have another contestant. Can you carry over for me, please? Brother, you're a strong man, bro. You get paid for it. No, I'm joking. Come. Come in, goody. Move fast. Come. Toronto's full of impatient people. We don't have time for waste. Come here, goody. Run. Run our exercise. Run our exercise. Run. Run, come goody. Boy, you ticky, man. Jesus Christ. That one that should look good too, though. That one that thicker than the other one. So, right now we got thick and thicker. Jesus Christ. Hey, stand one side. Let me see what I go on first. Play the song, the rapid bass.
Hey, mama, get mad for me.
Let me see what you can do. Let me see what you can do.
Papa, pizza, pila, liquor, killer, telebar, swing, syrup, panaras, gla, pila, spliffia, fida. Lord, mama says you can't hear it, son. Your body need to run. Turn your bumper around, get mad for me, no. Rock your back, sit down, pan the yard.
Somebody say bumbo clot. You ready again? You can match that? You can match that?
Stop wine by your friend now, wine by me now. You know like come cock it up. That tight pussy that you go and lock it up. If I want to see your ass slap it up. Turn around and look back. Your face don't look like my foot back. Clear off your jaws and clear off a gift wrap.
Say you have one song.
Say I'm moving so.
I show your body big. Wait for me, you ready?
Mirror on the wall, the flavors of the mouth. Come on, look the tire every day, tell us the route. Come on, finish your nipple, titty bar to restaurant. Boom, your bumper like a dog. Come on, be your provider, your protector, you're me dog. Come on, your ex jealous when him see you with your gun. Come on, your dash your plan B, cause the baby you're feeling.
Come in now. Here's some space. You ready go there? 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 Two no go on. Two no go on.
Come on, baby, turn the other way.
Two no go on. Two no go on.
Turn the other way.
You ready? Everybody go on.
Come on, baby, turn the other way. She love me, but must she fuck me on a key. And her man saving, send it on a plane. One for the body night, she text me a she well freaky, and speaking. So make her keep up and fuck it in bad. She little and mad, wicked and mad. She say she coming from little London. She need your belly, give them a son. She take her from the man, she little and mad, wicked and mad. She say she coming from New Hampshire. Me say she need your belly, give them a son.
Stop. I'm gonna give y'all one last chance. I have some money for you know. I got some money. But the other day I listened to a song on the YouTube. I listened to a song on the YouTube and I like this song. I want to know if you know this song. You know this song? Play this song.
I show outside with my girls this summer. You don't have a ring and you don't have a mister. Hands up, let me see a finger. Up, let me see a finger. You don't have a ring, then bend for the camera. You to bend, 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 you to bend. You don't have a ring, then bend for the camera.
Give me a little thing out of back. Come here, goody. Come over here. I don't want everybody to see the money when I have for you. Come. Hold on. Y'all get these lovely ladies a round of applause for me, please. That is it. Big up your damn self. Hold on. I soon start to know. Come over here. Before security. Security ready for fire me. Eh? Rascal, no. Come here. Rapid bass. Play about the song there for me, please. Hold on. Give me this. Give me this. All right, give me the body too. Now, Joe, man, come. Me here say you're bad. It's your birthday today? It's her birthday today, ladies. I need everybody to tell her happy birthday on 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the birthday now. Go on. Wait for your birthday.
Outside with my girls this summer. You don't have a ring, you don't have a mister. Hands up, let me see a finger.
Come
Get
here.
on the
Come,
landmark. Body's landmark.
Come. Take this. I love that. Take this. Big up your damn self. I see you take the whole thing now.
You to Ben.
Light man, lights, please. Everybody that loves your life right now, put your hands in here right now. Put up your phone lights. Phone lights. I need phone lights right now. Everybody that loves your life in here. We inside Rebel today, and y'all know what you came here for. But everybody that loves your life right now, you have a Bible at your house, you read your Bible, you read your Psalms. Everybody that loves God right now, I need to see more phone lights than that. I can't play the song until I see more phone lights. More phone lights. More phone. Right now, so I need some phone light. Everybody that loves your life right now, I need to see some phone lights. When I drop this song, I need everybody to just wave your phone light them in our ear. Drop it.
Me say a prayer this morning. One back a chanting. Firm and planted.
Everybody wave your phone light them. Wave them.
This morning.
Everybody wave your phone light.
One back a chanting.
Wave.
Me a brick, what me for worry about? Anything me want, Jaja make it start out. I feel work, sun a shine till the place dark out. Couldn't call out.
Hold on.
What it, them a talk about?
If you know this song, I need you to sing it with me. Everybody sing with me. Hold it right there. What me say? Yo, me, I'm buying us some food when the night done. I sound fucking hungry. Shit. I got by the name of Chip Down, DJ Flair. Big up all my co-workers. You know the vibe already. Big up all my birthday people in the place again for me, please. All my birthday people. Birthday ladies, put your hands in here for me, please. I love it. Ladies, do me a favor. Point at the girl that's always the latest. That's Claude. All right. Point at the girl with the fattest ass in the crew. Point at the prettiest girl in the crew.
Is there?
You see, hold on. This is where you also be pointing at each other. Ladies, if your friend is pretty, say true. All right, that is it. We're fully outside. Yo, I need everybody to get their phone lights ready right now. Oh, I'm going right now. Blaxz, come here. Everybody get your phone lights ready. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you from St. Thomas over the east side. We call him.
Welcome to the zoo.
Is that? That's all right.